Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt like your knees were made of wood? Maybe your joints creak like an old floorboard. Your hips don't glide the way they used to. Or your morning walk now feels more like a workout than a warm-up. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of seniors silently struggle with mobility issues, aching joints, and weakened legs, not because they're lazy or not trying, but because their bodies are screaming for something they're no longer producing enough of. Collagen. Yes, collagen, the protein that literally holds your body together. As we age, collagen production plummets. By the time we hit 60, our natural levels may have dropped by more than 50%. And without enough collagen, our cartilage dries out, our ligaments stiffen, and our joints lose their bounce. But here's the good news. Nature has gifted us with powerful collagen-rich herbs, not just trendy supplements, but real, natural plants that help restore mobility, rebuild connective tissues, and ease joint discomfort, all without side effects. And in this video, we're revealing the top 6 collagen-rich herbs that naturally boost mobility in seniors. Some of these you've heard of. Others might surprise you. But each one is backed by research and used for centuries in traditional medicine to keep people active, strong, and pain-free well into their 70s, 80s, and beyond. Now, as we go through each herb, don't just watch, be part of the conversation. Leave a comment below. Let us know which of these herbs you've tried or which one you're excited to try, because your comment could help someone else take their first step toward better joint health too. And yes, we've dropped the direct links to each of these herbs in the description below, so you can take action immediately if one stands out to you. Ready to feel stronger, more flexible, and more mobile naturally? So grab a warm drink, sit back, and let's help your joints feel younger again. Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. Let's kick things off with a herb that looks more like a wild grass, but works like a miracle for your joints. Horsetail. Horsetail is one of the richest natural sources of silica, a key mineral your body needs to produce and maintain collagen. Silica acts like scaffolding for collagen. It helps keep your bones, cartilage, and tendons strong and flexible. In fact, studies published in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine and Biology show that silica supplementation significantly improves collagen synthesis, skin elasticity, and bone density, especially in aging adults. And horsetail isn't just rich in silica. It's also loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce swelling in joints and support smoother movement. Here's how to use it. Steep dried horsetail leaves as a tea, 1 teaspoon per cup, or take it in capsule form. It's often found in herbal blends for joint health. Caution, because horsetail is a natural diuretic, consult your doctor if you're on water pills or blood pressure medication. Next up is Gotu kola, a staple in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine, often called the herb of longevity. But what makes Gotu kola so powerful for seniors? It directly stimulates fibroblast cells, the cells that produce collagen and elastin. That means more flexibility, better skin elasticity, and faster healing of connective tissues. In one study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, Gotu kola extract significantly boosted collagen synthesis and even helped in repairing cartilage damage in joints. It's also been shown to improve circulation and reduce swelling, which is why it's used for varicose veins, joint inflammation, and poor mobility. Here's how to use it. Take as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form, typically 300 to 500 milligrams daily. Bonus: Gotu kola also supports brain function, helping memory and focus, a double win for seniors. Next is nettle leaf, the unsung hero of joint health. It is often brushed aside as a stinging weed, but nettle leaf is actually a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to supporting collagen and mobility. What makes it special? It's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, silica, and even small amounts of proline, all key nutrients your body needs to manufacture collagen. A clinical study in phytomedicine found that patients with arthritis who took nettle extract reported reduced joint pain and improved mobility within just weeks. What's more, nettle has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It helps block key inflammatory pathways, like TNF-alpha and COX-2, the same ones that cause swelling and stiffness in joints. Here's how to use it. Enjoy nettle tea. It has a mild, earthy taste, or use capsules standardized for potency. Pro tip: pairing nettle with turmeric enhances its anti-inflammatory effects even further. Up next is gynostemma, giagulan, the immortality herb. It's known as the southern ginseng, or herb of immortality. Gynostemma is used in remote Chinese mountain villages where people live well into their 90s, still mobile and mentally sharp. So what's the secret? Gynostemma is an adaptogen that helps your body produce more collagen and regulate immune response, keeping your joints strong and inflammation under control. Studies in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology show it helps stimulate the production of superoxide dismutase, SOD, one of your body's most powerful internal antioxidants, which protects collagen from breakdown due to oxidative stress. Here's how to use it. Drink as a tea. It's slightly sweet and refreshing, or take it in capsule form. Bonus: it's also great for reducing fatigue, stabilizing blood sugar, and improving heart health, common concerns for seniors. Up next is Bala Sida cordifolia, the ancient Ayurvedic strengthener. In ancient Ayurvedic texts, Bala means strength, and this herb lives up to its name, especially for seniors. Bala works by rejuvenating connective tissues and reducing joint degeneration, largely thanks to its collagen-supporting and anti-inflammatory compounds like ephedrine alkaloids, phytosterols, and tannins. Traditional practitioners use Bala to rebuild muscle strength, restore mobility after injury, and support nerve-muscle communication, all crucial as we age. A 2021 study in the Journal of Herbal Medicine confirmed that Sida cordifolia significantly reduced pain, stiffness, and joint tenderness in patients with chronic mobility issues. It is commonly used as a powder mixed with warm water or milk. Start small, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, and increase gradually. Note: always check with a healthcare provider before use, especially if you have heart conditions. Last but certainly not least is Hisho Wu, also known as FOT, one of the most famous longevity herbs in traditional Chinese medicine. Why should seniors care about this herb? Hisho Wu not only boosts collagen production in bones and joints, but also protects collagen from damage caused by free radicals and chronic inflammation. A 2022 review published in Frontiers in Pharmacology highlighted FOT's ability to enhance the expression of collagen type I and III, the two most important types for skin, cartilage, and bone strength. It also contains zinc and iron, which are essential cofactors in collagen production, and helps with nerve regeneration, which is key for balance and coordination in older adults. How to use it? Traditionally prepared as a tea or tonic. Look for processed Hisho Wu, which is safer and more effective than raw versions. Quick tip on absorbing collagen-building nutrients. Taking herbs is a powerful first step, but if your body can't absorb and use them properly, they won't work. Here are 3 ways to maximize results. 1. Pair herbs with vitamin C-rich foods, like oranges, bell peppers, or berries. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. 2. Stay hydrated. Your body needs water to maintain the elasticity and fluidity of tissues. 3. Move daily. Even light stretching signals your body to repair and regenerate connective tissues. Small habits, big changes. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. You don't have to accept creaky joints or stiff knees as your new normal. These 6 herbs, simple, natural, and time-tested, can help you rebuild collagen, nourish your joints, and get back to the active life you love. And the best part? You don't need expensive treatments or risky medications. Just consistent care and the right herbs on your side. So, which of these herbs have you tried before? Or are you planning to try? Drop your answers in the comments. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health. And if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.